Alright, in this video we're going to walk you through the student default page and some of the options with it. So let's go ahead and hop into it. We're going to get there by going to our admin and our settings menu, and then in our system settings we're just going to select student defaults. Okay, so you have a couple options on this page. Let me just scroll through them here quickly and then we'll go through each one. Okay, so we'll start at the top here. You have a couple options. You have a student school list. So this would be whatever school they may attend. When you're setting this up, always a good idea to maybe put all the schools in your area in. And then when you're on a student's page, under the school list, these schools will all be listed in the drop downs for you to easily select which school they come from. You also have a skill list. In our example here, cartwheel, point, skip, whatever may work for your school and your skills. Again, works the same way. Whatever is in this list will be in a drop down on the student's page. So let's say you want to add a skill. Simply click on add. We'll say turn, maybe. Hit save, and it'll be added to the list. And then certainly if you ever wanted to change one of these, you could just click edit and make whatever change you want to make and hit save. Again, both of these menus will build the drop down that is actually on the student's page. So when you're on that student page, you can just click on the drop down and select whichever school or skill you need. Same goes for the student doctor list. So if you want to put together a list of doctors in your area or doctors that you know of, you can put them here. You can put their phone numbers in. That way when you're on the student page, if there's ever an issue, you can quickly get to their doctor and their doctor's phone number. This works the same way. If you need to add a doctor, just select add and you can put their name and their phone number in, and then that doctor will be listed in the drop down on the student page. Okay. Now here you have a couple of student or account fee table. Again, this works the same way. It creates a drop down that's on the account, and you can put any kind of fee that you'd like to put. That way you can easily attach it to an account. Here we have aftercare, voice. You may want to put solos, something like that. Then we have the update recital participation menu here. Now this affects every student. So if you use this, whichever one of these you select is going to do this to every student. So if you're building a recital and you want to put everyone in, just add all, or vice versa. If you want to remove them, you will do the same. Then finally, you have your update active student data. So this will allow you to update the grade or the years at your school for each student that's active in your database. So if you wanted, at the beginning of the year maybe, wanted to update everyone's grade, you just hit update now, and when you do that, it'll put that date that you did that in this box. So you can easily look back and say, okay, I last did that 1 year ago, need to update it again. Same applies here. This keeps up with the number of years the student's been in your school and active. It works the same way. If you want to add a year to that, you just hit update now, and every student will have 1 year added, and this will show you when it was last done. Like any of these other pages in the setup menu, when you've made your changes and you're happy, you hit save changes. We'll show you here on the right in red that your changes have been saved and you're done, and you can hit home. If you have any questions, certainly give us a call at Akada and we'll be happy to help you out.